We're a family business. For over 40 years, our cabinetry has helped turn beautiful houses into family homes. Through our shop in Pennsylvania, we have supplied families, stores, and offices throughout the East Coast. Thousands of our custom designs have gone into making your spaces feel unique and a reflection of your values. With high-end industry-grade machinery, we are able to make those delicate touches and complex designs that help your home feel more like you. And the masterful finish on all of our products ensures that they will last a lifetime. Home is where the family makes memories, and we want to help finish your family home. Give us a call today and let's build something together.